Hello everyone, myself Siddharth Shekhar from 10th class representing Silverline Prestige School. Today I will show you experiment on Tyndall effect. So before starting my experiment, I would like you to introduce you some new terms which are first, true solution. Homogeneous mixture of two or more substances in which size of particles of solute are less than 1 nm. Second, colloidal solution. Mixture in which substances are regularly suspended in fluid. Particles are bigger than true solution. Third, scattering of light. When a molecule is exposed to light, it absorbs light energy and re-emit in different direction. Fourth, Tyndall effect. Scattering of beam of light by a colloidal solution containing small suspended particles. It is named after British physicist John Tyndall. So materials and apparatus which I have used in this experiment are two transparent glasses, dilute water, milk, dropper, spoon and a torch. Now I will turn off the light to start my experiment. So now here you can see that in dilute water, which is a true solution, you cannot see a beam of light, but it transmits beam of light. Like you can see, my hand is receiving light from the torch. Now what happens if we will add few drops of milk in it? Let's see. Now I've added few drops of milk, a little more. Yes, now we will stir it well. So now here you can see the beam of light passing through it. It also transmits the light. See my hands. And in this case you can also see the beam of light and it also transmits. So what happens if we put colloidal solution and true solution both together? Let's see. So here you can see that in case of dilute water, which is a true solution, you cannot see a beam of light, while in case of colloidal solution you can clearly see a beam of light passing through it. So now I would turn on lights so that we could come on conclusion. So what can we conclude from it? We can conclude that path of light is visible in colloidal solution, but not in case of true solution. Next question that comes to our mind is why this happened. It happened because colloidal particles are big and are also densely located. So they scatter beam of light, whereas the particles of true solution were very small and sparsely located. So they didn't scatter beam of light. So this was my experiment. Thank you.